Welcome to Aurigene Services, where innovation meets excellence in biomanufacturing. Located in the Genome Valley of Hyderabad, our state-of-the-art Biologics CDMO facility is designed to support global pharma and biopharma companies. From discovery to commercialization, we deliver solutions for complex biologic molecules, including monoclonal antibodies, bispecifics, multispecifics, and recombinant proteins. Let's accelerate your journey from lab to market. Our cell line development processes establish sustainable and high-performing cell lines tailored to your product goals, giving you complete control and flexibility. Adhering to ICH guidelines, we ensure cost-effectiveness, stability, and scalability. With fully equipped facilities and expert teams, we provide seamless transitions from cell line engineering to optimization, building a sustainable foundation for cGMP manufacturing. Our Upstream labs integrate scientific expertise and next-gen technology to streamline development. Starting with consistent inoculum preparation and regulated media handling, we deploy micro-scale bioreactors for rapid selection of clones, media, and feed optimization. Advanced tools like single-use bioreactors enhance flexibility, reduce setup times, and minimize cross-contamination risks and enhance operational efficiency. Our advanced perfusion technology enables continuous cell retention and facilitates N-1 perfusion, high productivity harvest, and seed train intensification to optimize growth and culture longevity. Our Downstream team specializes in precision purification, utilizing high-throughput chromatography and advanced filtration systems to maintain cell viability. These processes ensure compliance with viral clearance requirements and remove product and process impurities efficiently, delivering biologics of the highest purity and quality. With automated filtration units and customizable purification platforms, we achieve consistent, scalable results for monoclonal antibodies and bispecifics. We have integrated upstream and downstream systems under one roof for improved process controls, ensuring data consistency and quality compliance throughout. Our analytical capabilities focus on precision and reliability, providing comprehensive product characterization. Combining bioanalytical and physicochemical testing strategies, we ensure the integrity, purity, potency, and stability of your biologics. Advanced mass spectrometry supports detailed molecular analysis, detecting low-level impurities with exceptional precision. Established platform methodologies for monoclonal antibodies and mAb-like products expedite development and regulatory submissions, ensuring robust data packages that meet global standards. Our cGMP manufacturing units are designed to meet stringent biologics production requirements. With single-use systems, we enable a multi-product facility, minimize cross-contamination, ensure flexibility, and deliver faster turnaround time. Unit 1 supports early-stage development with reactors ranging from 50 liters to 500 liters. Unit 2 caters to large-scale production with capacities up to 35 kiloliters. Both units integrate advanced upstream and downstream capabilities, ensuring consistent cGMP quality and regulatory compliance. Our digitalized systems enhance process control and operational efficiency, allowing us to deliver high-quality biologics efficiently. Quality is embedded in every stage of development at Aurigene. Our quality control systems ensure compliance with regulatory standards while maintaining speed and precision. With over 2 decades of experience, we prevent deviations through proactive measures and continuous improvement. Our facilities undergo regular inspections by global authorities and maintain rigorous control over product testing. Digital systems enable real-time tracking and audit readiness, ensuring safety, purity, and potency in every batch. At Aurigene, collaboration drives innovation. Our expert team and advanced facilities are here to help you bring groundbreaking therapies to life. Contact us today to explore how we can accelerate your success.